Okay.
So, you take a pan like this, you take olive oil, this olive oil, here, this olive oil, and you put in the pan in, and you stir it as all over should be oil, where the pancake comes in, you know, like this. So, and you leave this here. Then you pick up 2, 4, I have 5 big potatoes, Idaho potatoes. 5, maybe I needed another one, I don't know. You know? And then you grind it this with the hand. Like big 2 onions. You see? Big 2 onions. And then you grind it. Like you make potato latkes. The same thing. The same thing. So, and you grind it. And after you finish grinding, then I show you what you have to put it in.
Okay.
All right? Right now I have work to grind it, this all together.
Go ahead.
When I finish grinding, then I call you and I show you what I'm putting in. It's not an easy work, grind it. But I'm used to, so for me, it's not a big deal. You see, every drink with a hand. Like the old-fashioned times, like our mothers done it. You see, this is grinded. You see, now you take salt, no measurement. I don't know the measurement. I just put it in so approximately, who knows? Now comes pepper. The same thing. I don't know how much, but I put it in like, I know this is enough. You see? Pepper. So, now, you take a spoon and like this. You see? When you take a little bit, you taste it. Like this. It's not enough salt. So you have to put a little bit more. You see? A little bit more. Now, you take at least 6 eggs. But I can see there's no eggs more. Ay, 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 ay. When you mix the eggs with the potatoes together, like this. You see? You see? I'm putting a little bit oil here in. Take a look. Not much, a little bit. Why I'm putting a little bit oil in is the mix up here and bakes better, you know? Like this. Flour comes in, take a look. Also, I don't know how many spoons, but I'm putting in like this here. You see? Like this. And then I mix them again here. You see how delicious looks? Here, I'm mixing. And I put a little bit more in. So, maybe a cup or the 2 cups, you know, but so much potatoes. I got a lot of potatoes, you know. See, like this, here. See how nice? That's it.
Okay, now in the oven for how long?
For how long?
And how high temperature?
350.
350?
350
For
the
how
temperature. What?
For how long?
For how long? At least 3 hours. 2.5, 3 hours.
Oh, it's a long time.
See? So. Now can cook the lamb again. Let me. Everything from the garden.
It's good, it's really good.
Oh,
That's
no.
so good. Take it, take it. Hey, well,
You know what this is?
Well,
Everything from the garden.
Plenty
No
hard.
chemicals, nothing.
Onions too?
What?
Onions too?
Onions too. Everything from the garden. The vegetables. Hi. Happy New Year.
This is
New
like
Year too.
the one
Huh?
on the table. Hey, how are you? Hey.
I left before.
Mike, you want some juice?
Take Dave home.
Mike, you want juice?
That's for the wine.
On your fish. On your
yeah.
fish. You'll have to leave.
Thanks, Izzy. You're welcome.
In 5 minutes, it has to be.
What do you think I'm